Hello, welcome to the third week of this massive open online course, Introduction to PLSQL Program Units. You are viewing the second video of this week, Introducing PLSQL Packages. Jill completed implementing all the business requirements into the new HR administration system, and she is now looking forward to deploy the application. Jill wonders if she can simplify the future maintenance of this application by grouping all the logically related program units into individual packages. Jill envisions that packing logically related program units into individual groups or packages makes it easy to implement any further enhancements after the application is deployed. Packages are supported by PLSQL, and Jill starts exploring them in detail. As the name suggests, a package is a schema object that groups logically related PLSQL types, variables, and subprograms. For example, all the variables, stored procedures, and functions coded for managing employee promotions can be grouped into one package, and all those related to employee retirements can be packed into another package. Suppose there's a fix to be implemented in the promotions logic, Jill can easily fix this by updating the promotions package without even looking into the retirements package. You create a package in two parts. The package specification is the interface to your applications. It declares the variables, constants, exceptions, cursors, and subprograms available for use. The package specification may also include pragmas, which are directives to the compiler. The package body defines its own subprograms and must fully implement subprograms declared in the specification part. The package body may also define PLSQL constructs such as types, variables, constants, exceptions, and cursors. If a package specification does not contain subprogram declarations, there is no requirement for a package body. What other benefits do PLSQL packages offer? Modularity. Packages enable modularity by allowing you to logically group various variables, sequences, procedures in the application. You can encapsulate logically related programming structures into named modules. Easier maintenance. The specification and body of the package are independently maintained. You can modify the body of the package without modifying the specification of the package. This flexibility enables better maintenance of the application. Easier application design. When designing an application, all you need is the interface information in the package specifications. You can code and compile specifications without their bodies. Next, you can compile standalone subprograms that reference the packages. You need not fully define the package bodies until you are ready to complete the application. Information hiding. Packages let you share your interface information in the package specification and hide the implementation details in the package body. This enables you to change the implementation details without affecting the application interface. Better performance. The first time you invoke a package subprogram, Oracle Database loads the entire package into the memory. Subsequent invocations of other subprograms don't result in additional I/O. When you populate the package with variables, procedures, and other components, you can define whether the component can be accessed by the client or other external components by specifying them to be public or private. When certain package member is declared as public, then those package members can be accessed by entities outside the package. All the members declared in package specification are public. When certain package members are declared as private, then those package members can only be accessed by other package members. Private package members can't be accessed by components external to the package. Here, you can see that the package specification has two members, a variable and procedure A. However, in the package body, you see that there are definitions of procedure A and procedure B. Procedure A is public and therefore can be accessed by external components, whereas procedure B is private and can only be accessed by procedure A or other components within the package. A single application can have multiple packages to support its different features. As discussed already, each package in an application can have both public and private components in it. Public components that are declared in the package specification can be referenced from any Oracle server environment that is external to the package. Therefore, specification defines a public programming interface for users of package functionality. The Application Programming Interface (API) comprises of all the public components of the application. However, the private components that are placed in the package body can be referenced only by other constructs within the same package body. Private components can reference the public components of a package. The client or the front-end application can access the package functionality by invoking the procedures or functions in the package that are exposed as API. However, the implementation of the package procedures and functions that is defined in the package body is hidden from the front-end application. Do you remember the command used to print a statement in the output console? Yes, it is dbms_output.put_line. Here, dbms_output is nothing but a reference package that is provided by PLSQL itself. Put_line is a procedure defined within dbms_output package to accept a string parameter and write it on the output console. Apart from put_line, it also provides many other procedures like get_line, new_line, and so on to help you with debugging or displaying messages and reports to the SQL clients like SQL Star Plus or SQL Developer. This is one of the many Oracle supplied packages that are provided with the Oracle server. The PLSQL functions defined in the Oracle supplied packages can be invoked in SQL statements, thus SQL statements can access PLSQL functions. You can use the functionality provided by these packages when creating your application, or you may simply want to use these packages as ideas when you create your own stored procedures. Most of the standard packages are created while creating the database. However, certain packages are not installed automatically. If required, you have to install them by referring to the documentation. You can see a list of few Oracle supplied packages and their purpose on the screen. For additional information on these packages, refer the link given in the YouTube video description. In this video, you should have learned what packages are and their benefits. You also learn what a package specification and package body are, what public and private members of a package are, and how the public components of a package act as a programming interface of the application. Finally, you looked at a list of Oracle supplied packages and their purpose. The next video dwells on the implementation level details of packages. To practice what you learn, solve the assignment posted for this video on the OLL course page. Please post your questions, if any, in course forum whose link is shown here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.